Hi, I'm Nathan Young, board certified sports physical therapist with Yada Yada. Today I'm going to talk about tennis elbow or lateral elbow tendinopathy. The first thing I want to talk about is the word tendinosis or tendinopathy. When we've had injury or pain for a long time, that tendon is no longer inflamed, which would be called itis or lateral epicondylitis. With the tendinopathy, the tendon has changed and the tendon it becomes thickened, and so that's called tendinopathy. If this is acute injury, see my video on acute elbow pain. Today, I'm going to give my top 4 treatments for tennis elbow or lateral tendinopathy. The first thing I want to do is show you stretching. We want to stretch out your wrist extensors that do this motion, and so when we're stretching them, you want to take your hand and you want to pull down and feel that stretch right on your lateral elbow. It should be mild discomfort, and we're holding that stretch for 30 seconds. You can repeat that 3 times and do your stretching twice a day. The second thing I want to talk about is massage. A lot of times with a chronic injury in physical therapy, they'll do a lot of techniques. They use a lot of special tools. A lot of times we call it ASTM or ASTM, and we'll get in there and we'll work it. Today I'm going to show you what you can use at home. You can use anything. I'm just going to use a butter knife and use the back end of that, and I'm going to use some massage cream. You can use lotion. I like massage cream more than lotion because it won't absorb in the skin as quickly. And so I want to just get a little bit on my lateral elbow and get it in there. And then after that, I want to get my knife I'm going to use, and I'm just using that back end of this butter knife. I don't want to be right on the bone because that'll be very tender and painful, but just drop down right below that, and I'm just going to get in there and I'm going to work it. And I'm giving a lot of pressure down through the elbow. It should be discomfort, but we're getting in there and we're working that. We're trying to get blood flow in there. That blood flow will help remodel that tendon. And you should do this daily for 5 minutes. And remember, it should be discomfort. I even had a patient once tell me that I was using the devil's butter knife on him. And so you can think about that it'd be a little bit uncomfortable because you're using the devil's butter knife to work out your injury. The third technique that I want to do is ice massage. And so we can take a paper cup or a styrofoam cup, and I've already torn off the outside, but you just tear that off. You get the end of that you can hold, and you want to go right over that painful area, and you just start massaging that in circles. You want to go around and do the ice massage for 5 minutes. Remember that it'll start aching, burning, even throbbing a little bit, but by the end of that 5 minutes, it'll kind of go numb, and that's helping that calm that elbow down. The fourth thing I want to talk about is eccentric strengthening. So when we want to talk about eccentric and concentric, and so if we look at my elbow here, a concentric exercise is we're shortening the muscle. So it's lateral elbow pain, that tennis elbow pain. And so a concentric exercise, we'd bring it by like that. And eccentric, we're lengthening that muscle that attaches down in here. And so there's 2 exercises that we're going to use for eccentric. You can use a weight or you can use a hammer. And at this point, you want to just slowly lower that down over 5 seconds, which is a key, till you get the stretch there, and then you can bring it back up. So again, slowly lower that down over 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. If it's too heavy or a little painful, you can actually use your other hand to bring it back up, and then you'll let it go down. If we're following some of the research guidelines with eccentric strengthening, we want to do 2 sets of 10 twice a day with slowly going down over 5 seconds. The second eccentric strengthening exercise we want to do is we're bringing your hand up into wrist extension, and so you can either bring it up and then slowly lowering it down, so we're lengthening those muscles on that lateral elbow over 5 seconds, and you can bring it back up, and so slowly lowering it down, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, if it's too much over those 2 sets of 10, you can actually use your other hand and bring it back up and slowly let it down, working that muscles. That eccentric strengthening has good research to help remodel those tendons that have now been chronically changed. 2 other things if you're not progressing well is, 1, they make a lot of elbow straps that are very helpful that you can buy on the internet or your healthcare provider. When you're applying that with your elbow pain here, remember you don't want to put it right on there, but to drop down to the muscle belly and get some relief. Another thing with this chronic tennis elbow that I found very helpful is a technique we use in physical therapy called dry needling, and so you can dry needling in that muscle to help it recover. So that would be something that you would follow up with a physical therapist that is trained in dry needling. As always, if you're not getting better or pain increases, follow up with your healthcare provider or physical therapist, and have a great day. Thank you.